Breaking news bafethu indaba eyiphumayo ukuthi uHugo Broos kuBafana Bafana uzothola over 19 million rands ngokukhwalifayisa iBafana Bafana to i-FIFA World Cup futhi ba-advancile to the knockout stages of the competition. Ngibonile-ke social media online abantu-ke bathi hayi why uHugo athola imali engaka, i-part of i-contract yakhe, so yonke imali egenerate-we iBafana Bafana u-entitled to i-10%. So le nto leyo ayiqali ngayo uHugo Broos bafethu, uPitso Mosimane ko-Sundowns, even uRhulani Mokwena-ke indaba yakhe yena beyi-public ukuthi bekathola i-6% of yonke imali i-Sundowns beyiwina, and uRhulani Mokwena wathola ama-millions, I think 6 to 7 millions mabawina le competition lena AFL plus namanye ama-competition, wathola close to 10 million kuma-bonuses nje kuphela. So abo-coaches abaningi banayo le contract lena, ama-bonuses wabo ahlakaniphile. So uHugo njengoba azothola 19 million, athola malini-ke lama-player lawo besebenza bafethu, noma ama-player asebenze kanzima? Ama-players-ke wona-ke isono bafethu. Why? Ngoba ama-players azothola around 2 million rands, cabanga, but-ke yiwo adlalile, yiwo a-contribute-ile, yiwo alwile ama-player, but it's a part of the game bafethu. If uyi-boss, uyi-boss, ama-contract abantu abawasayinayo, kusho ukuthi umuntu obalulekile u-coach than ama-player adlalayo egrawundini. Ukuhlakanipha nje komuntu, ukuhlakanipha kwa-Hugo Broos, ukuhlakanipha kwe-agency yakhe ekwazile ukumtholela le contract lena, but it's a norm ukuthi o-coach bayawathola lama-contract lawo. And even I'm sure even uMikel Cardoso bafethu under ku-Sundowns, I'm sure ukwina i-CAF Champions League uyo-benefit kunabo bonke abantu laphana ku-Sundowns. So congratulations to Hugo, shout out to yena. I didn't think we would get around 19 million rands bafethu, depending on the current exchange, by the way, ukuthi irand maybe against i-dollar, because imali le yokuqala bathola over 10 million US dollars just ngokuqualifya, plus-ke ney'mali zokuthi bawinile igame, khona bayi-draw bawinile. There was a draw, right, and a win against South Korea, then ba-advance to the knockout stages. So kuney'mali, every match inemali, when you progress to the knockout stages kunemali yakhona. I'm sure uHugo Broos uthole over 20 million rands. Shout out to yena.